e de nyamiase e de nyamiase akwa abanso
fiala so de anamu ye yeja
se ni afri boko
odomfo no na mekan oni madini ye me de ni different oni madini ye so
ami
anti aseda na me de mano
ami akonta ho ye
o ne ho ye pa
de nyamiase
ne ho ye mame nchia me papa baako Dr. Kwame Aye ewo Kolibu me chia ne danase ene adwumayefo mo Robert Medical Center nyina me do mase pa
okay nyame nshawo mo
nyame nshawo pa nyame nshawo mo na sije na so bi aba o
nkrata
ne bi aba se koto abam koto nsemo abam ebi edu koto ebi so baby a wote hwa na wote na ene nkyeremu a penina woda emrahye badwa no ede abasije uye interview ho uya ye bekyerem
wo mo nya nkokọ ekuya wo mo kyerese feed aduane a wo mo de man nkokọ no yisi a eku wo mo ne bro no
enye sesi a o
kyerese wo mo ntimi kura
CJ
feed a wo mo de man nkokọ no ne bo no se edwane kosoro ni
wa anya interview na mejo masem na kan mo ntu de ko
ode mame ne Joseph yi amakwe entwetwe enkomo oye best district poultry farmer ewo pram mene ne shan komo twetwe no asejo wotemenka
meti unka
bibia boko
bibia boko
enkukwa no wamu feed no ehun sam kan tse etesen Joseph
onana mame fa mo really station chia Ghana for nya na mo so mo workers nya ana omampeni so na nyame mai nya odina na poultry farm asem no na nyame se nka no kwae asem a ye hu mo no enye asem kitu akora ejuma no eja na sebi performance jina wo so a or how it be ba no enye yikra because me say I have 25 workers preparing to lay them off the many obi atonku ko ni na I have to lay them off no mo nyama mo coffee Neba
Joseph Nessa Jumano u close no ano no u close down
ana matire mu nyina assume say me won 9,000 layers me fish farm too me almost about 20,000 catfish more about 21 your friend say tilapia for me farm na sure say ye juma na ebro every last year July ebro fi 70 Ghana cedis adwane ko 140 130 140 look at it soya beans are here tongue within 180 I got 270 Ghana cedis concentrate are here used from 200 Ghana cedis adwane ko share 280 Ghana cedis poultry drugs has been increased by 80% na ebe bisa ye hun say sebi nanka mi ko G bank sika let me atuaka. It is my own private money because I'm a businessman. But the question we are asking is that is the poultry that is creating employment for the whole country, the whole 16 regions. If they take the poultry farm out there, unemployment will be very, very serious in the country. And then you say, yeah, best the government cannot do all. Now him say, Omampini Alpha Agric extension officers, the minister, on share Sanyamanisu. Me pese me the politics be shade we me say me kuto amagana fo nyina say abanhwe omampeni ankasa mfresa same way enra your friend nyina ko conference center na ebisa why the cost of inputs are going high. I was there asema eba no me strong omampeni pass say obetia on friend kofo who matters na ebisa say what is really happening in the poultry industry.
Joseph Matome Bawo nanka me bebisa mabisem what is really causing the rise in the prices and abuka say and why a friend nyina call conference center enchiremu be na de maamo yentia poultry feed no ebo no so na ekono
say omudi ma the council of state chairman OTB so if he has to go to the president on briefings sabe bi omampeni on tie so once we are speaking now we have Greater Accra Poultry Farmers Association uko hokla adwane kura unya binto adwane uko hokla pu unya binto. And I'm also a member. I'm the president for the fishermen in the whole country. What do I say? And I'm part of the board who speaks for fishermen and the poultry farmers.
Okay, so then you should be able to tell us reasons are ya mamu nientia feed buono eswa na eko. Joseph.
Nobody is able to tell. We don't know whether it is what I believe. Say, if we take maize, I believe government should try and then bring maize. Say, Nigana, they have to import some. Now government should subsidy not the real poultry farmers. No, it goes direct to us, not the middlemen. That is number one. I'm seeing that what I'm seeing is that the Brono doors for Krono and Tikakra, people are capitalizing on it, taking it and doubling the price.
As a council and as a board, money minister in charge of poultry, money no actually come. I mean, responsible on the
I've tried to get his contact number. Namian Kasamin say what is happening, it's not the best. Meti say you see Penin be or wheat brand factory no. Now she say wheat brand yeah 15 cities. That's say wheat brand to 450. Wow. You can just imagine
wheat brand no 50 cities no. A jump
15 Ghana cities.
15 Ghana cities. Ako 45 Ghana cities.
I'm telling you, you can't blame the president for all this. You see, you cannot blame the president for this.
No, but Joseph, you feel say Obi play monopoly with a Brono na favorite brand no Diana. Is that what you think?
That is what I feel. That is why I'm saying that the president should call for a committee to investigate what is happening in the poultry sector. Yet to Obama, he said, we know he's a listening president. And yet, the problem I think he's taking people to take care of all these things. Because I'm telling you, I've just come to summon all the workers that mean to me sorry one day. And because all of you go home. But I've told them that at the end of this month, 9,000, I'll stop the work right now.
No, Joseph Jinasumame, be na story no Kumasi be different. Mamene Mrs. Harriet Roberta or say entry and come on. Auntie Harriet Nka.
Me too on Papa.
Me bacho, how different is the situation? Poultry feed won come on. Pram poultry farm and amene entry come on. It's a nebuano akosro pa Kumasi to saying.
Yes, Papa. Akosro just say dear. Poultry farmer bien ni hono ma or break even no abeka enfaso ini na ya kan kwa feed ni into minto na chese subsidy bia nsusu nimu nti nokre na nipa ko no wokan kosia no nsu krampo no yento ye san di free wo di free mai nso ayen fa osika mawo iti ejuma no die se die ego anisa
ma bisem nia ekoso sa I mean wabo feed wabo Joseph no ka ebro ne bo wheat brand nso so ne bo no ekosoro mo hono what are the causes
yes I say general aduane ba ko na ye nyina ye di mankukọ no aha enti no ebro no Woma ye duama yen da ye tono chese sese pa die eni hompo eni ho
ebroni bi ni ho
eni ho unya ubenya nsusu ani buo no wuntumi nto ena so ya nsusu the same thing eno susu ni ho ni nyina ye kra na ya ba ena wheat brown so die bobo ukotua osika 6 months 3 months na ye supply and I say, I just say stress in the dorsum. A Jumano say a capital intensive. Wouldn't your mommy and say crama can interest away you, I can't concentrate, I can't star shells, and some may be a row. Ain't it a dead beer farmer, ye die and cook on no so go honoma, won't to me can say, won't turn premature, abra a beer only. E bono so I we see no nipa dem anye ye gisem wo ya na odi begu enti aya how de bia ye se ansua dwuma pa
ayasem
ye san so kra ye broiler ye wo ye processing unit kakra ye be ye enso so ye be wie broiler yi nipa mefa o processing so aye nto enti ni hunu de ekọ
Joseph no one me kasisi ase one de sia na ba mu agu a busumi ya wiye o close down onye obi obeton nkokọ ni nyina ne 29 workers no ka kire say busumi ya wiye one omu nyina to nkwata o mapai won so are you considering something like that?
na me ka say me de me nkokọ yi a me wo yi sese me je ma ton bebre fam ni emienu sese ba ku de aboa ba kokọ ni ho eda ho ebu oni ntina medi kan say wudi nipa tena sa abu ni mu anye ye di se nkokọ na anti no ye renti anye yi nti ebu oni gugu ho ena ba kwa ewo ho no na nka ye won nkokọ 80,000 so 80,000 yi dakro bia feed cost ye 280 next can say 28,000 new currency no feed cost dakro no into imagine
feed cost for one day no 28,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Can it 280 million?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Eno na omudi me leba mai enti uhwe sa nyoma we no mu nyina na ade ba kokra esa etwa me awo wa adwuma ne ho ni se aban bie ni hono ma wa ba wa ma poultry farm subsidy bia ye ton ye kotonyoma na omudi dollar ene ekosoro en yesu ko hia ye to mintu ene wo koton nantwi na ma apontin ye 20 cedis per pound akukwa ye beton ewe more than a pound enso ka 20 no kra na ye bebro enso akukwa ba no kra ye tonu 10 cedis now de o chicken no ebo no na wo be hwa akukwa we ya for my family say 2 years roughly ansa na waton no wait abwani benya na miwa bwebie no no me nefa ma bi beka se wo ton kuko no na ye nimfa so wo de kwoteka e ka no kra obete yente wo be san kope bosia baabi bank mpese obema fama ebusia enti abembo ne de me ka say pharmacy bebre make 60% kra de agudada ena yenzo so ye wie de ba enti me say me fam ba ko de emu da ho pan e dampan ba ko na ewo hoyi ena ye di ehwe kakra nte no kre.
But seriously, say this capital intensive, then I think that as an association, say mutimini ministry no, esin konya edin komo beye ba kwa na am you na jo kase nra ye mo nyina akohie mu conference center nkomo efri mu ba ye no he's not been able to tell me actually, but say mutimi share ministry no me say
oh and say media as an individual no Menkai and Predodo Amako ministry hokra se mia on my person Menkai ye me plant ya me can say mercy for processing we buy me call ministry ho na me pay tax relief wo sa so
they are interviewing me on the radio station
me call ho say yi say obe hu minister no kra papa asifem Oh, I think last me see idea 2 years money. I me try quite be 5 times just to meet the minister. What I say you how people say we be who minister. Now me ba almost see we be appointment no so kra ba bedru kra say we be no almost yeah, ma. It just said me there a honey dear mamun can was them. Ya do almost see we are no. Enti wo ka say wo ko hu minister no akoka ya how ana wo how bia. It doesn't hold waters. So
but as an individual and who go through frustration as an association
the association is also not firm. Esan say ejuma no so frustrating say want to mean why I no because obi eba no na bia ohiansu anasa ni feed bia ye just say nyoma bia si ni farm so hunu inti se unya bi na mo keka kra na ono ante ebe ko ni ho no na just ejuma no said the ejuma no ase aye no eye shaking inti ye association na ye ntumi engine no enye se ye na ye mpese ye be association ni you ye kasiketua yetua but adwin na be ko benkro no obia woni how e woni farm obia woni how obia me how enye obi how so nye me how enu nti no ye
but there's one general concern about South Fidi. Well, and she said, "Mo share some concern and I'm table to the appropriate quarters. I am ministry honor. I think you may get some response, Anna."
And so that's why I think it's been done long ago. Time my brony started say shoot to no. Yeah, yes, I did no. But Uncle Sishi, me call you compare bro. Me call ye trailer says see why I train bro free yeah my way say more echo. So no. Nigeria.
Ebronwa ensuyen wa ha no ye twe de call amafo froso
ai inti Burkina kra so esisi ho na ye twe ko ebro na egu efuo ni mu nyina ye se we kra ya to yanya bubu ye ne ya ton ye ni sika no ye pharmacy ni ye ni sika no ye say no mu fa mfiri so no anka first no mu di ba udi ye adwuma na che se wo tua ye ni sika no nti wo mu ekite sika no abetoko mewa insio no susu amboa yen ena ensem no aye nwonwonan ye dinemu nti wo ka so ogu no ebia na ne mu ano betumi aton wo ton kra ye nto
asemo Joseph.
Yes sir.
Sa issue we mepese e de besi ha ne adwa na nyame adom a ye beto aso
nyame paso answer na obeko no.
Yeah, me too.
I would want you to call the Minister for Agri with all due respect. We are Ghanaians. If I have got his contact number, I would have called him to apologize to him and plead on behalf of all the poultry farmers. So he said, Conference Center Neda Harmony of Yagre. If you call for a meeting with everybody, how is concerned, the conference room, then we discuss the matter. Because if he's not able to import corn as early as possible, they are going to frustrate Nana Akufo-Addo. And my plea is to the president to call the minister to gather all of us so that we look at the concerns and the way forward.
Joseph ne Mrs. say Mamenda Masana Fancy. Joanna Nyame Adoma ye be send atutun komobio. Medamase. Joseph E. Amakwe, best district poultry farmer pram and Mrs. Harriet Roberta will say and so yeah poultry farmer Wukumase. And actually I feel their frustration. I feel their frustration. Say. Yes. I mean, look at the investment. How capital intensive it is. A day feed our 28,000 Ghana cedis for a day.
They are not a donor. Now for the publisher. Or say government to boost rice production in Bono East region. Minister nene mu koto. Say problem e wo no mo a eno no ye feed na amanfo so a say no. Minister no e koto. Unim CJ minister e wo hu. Who say ma me can say to even get to him is a problem. Woman when she's not the only one complaining about the minister. Share a Juma Greater Accra Regional Minister ye. Wo ye no when you push no. Nipa ni bi on man na do appoint to mo. They are just giving him problems. Or the nabesi form of Nancy form because minister way. The first term the farmers were complaining. Second term they are still complaining. First term no the abu no was George Odro sa be deputy minister no sa asem bi sha say just say na eba no matter papa na tum no akoso sha no because no farmers need to me ben no but minister na nkasa de all problem
George Odro betna ha obetna akonya wotisu yi ebro yi hu nkomo ya me bisa
no yes that time no mo ye oman no ebro no ayado ayanya no CJ enso yeso ye export bi kwa me no ne ye de no ye farmers ni nya bio eso ye de bi kwam no ne ye de tu ye ho say ya donya surplus planting for food and jobs ya donya surplus na wo nya bi ma farmers a de nti ye ntumi mfa ne ma nwu akwa mu say ma ye export to say ye poultry farmers no mo ho kire omo no on betumi nya bi ana sige we nya solution to the problem ada na eburo ye di an ye beka say eburo no yato eburo a ye di a ye ntwa ye no eye measures na what you putting in place say there be your farmers or musu enti ye resa ye farmers ni benya bi ansa na ye di bi akwa me no ne minister no ntumi men no wakon asema chere doma ye ka poultry farmers no mo edopa no a dodo na efiri kumase ko enkran ha bi wo ha ba kumase sa bi edoma area honom no minister no ko to e wo ho no munim okoye no okota district assembly honom and wato nkra farmers no doma kurom wo support farmers no omo farming no wo omo fie nchen yo until you can even go to bear akese nan okwa na okota district assembly no say farmers ni mfiri wuram ho no omomra wo twen wo mo wa ankofo tree farm ba akokora mu CJ minister se wo yi obi akwa oya agric expert ni nche say onim bibia sometimes obi ho no mo a field no eye human relation ne ewu be hia free ho kwan a wo be fa so ani nipa ne be ye adwuma eti ye besre minister no na mo na mu koto no nsan mra wonsan na no journalist ko ni omo ko no okoje omo wo kwam omo ka say yo je omo wo ko ye on Simra no me solve problems e koso wa say no.
Okay. Mame kwa homa so na fe me ni Ura Victor Pon or President Poultry Farmers Association of Ghana me ne twetwen komo. Of upon bokode.
Ami adum ye ho ye pa.
Me ba cho me nyane tie se Nura ye free Poultry Farmers ba conference center na o ka ho.
E pa cho there bi Nura.
Ani information as you see one poultry farmer Joseph Amakwe e dey mame no. I don't know say we are aware.
Me nya aware.
Onya we.
I won't cry and I said,
I won't cry.
And then way.
Wow. But concerns, me say as a poultry farmer, also him the price of feed, nebua air cost as the president, in Chemube when you free the ministry, Robon.
You, me that see the bray, and say, I deal with a start here, check a crack. Na, and I'm on the 2 people. Nina, no, estate a bra, you say. In neighboring countries no to ye bro no eko na ye di kan to one among e kan ho asema but so Ghana e do almost akwahye krata say African Trade Union BBDB nti obi free baby beto ebra untimi restricting no ama kwai ma Nigeria for Burkina for Niger for Mali for ominina bahane beto ebro. Na just imagine say COVID to say Nigeria about marketer a population of over 300 million. Na just say odiena omba fadibia and I'm ebra last year near 65 Ghana cedis per 50 kiloweight. Say and then I'm 135 cedis per 50 kiloweight. And to say poultry farm a dear niwa with me aka say me produce ukra me cost of production. I can't one calculation with 100 cedis per 50 kiloweight, you know. Now produce an egg of a tray of egg. Now it's 19 cedis 50 pesos. But now farmers are selling eggs below 18 cedis, a day 15, a day 14. And to say the poultry farmers are maniani wumpa aye asama higher dream. You to one more na you say local maize no nina asa. Until now, as I say, it may be free man on in neighbor. Minister my permit, and my Crawford Crabby, and also be drew her a bono beginning crowd in Nayaka, then I'm 120. But I say, 135, meaning, say, next week, Ombeka 140, because Oman was a shortage, a dinner hop. Into 10 beer, and a born a cry, and a cost. Tiama to say the poultry farmers
okay, but the last time I'm on Omampeni Asia, so how would you know the tunanim?
You can in high cost of feed, you can policy drive, you can say Benya, what do you call it? Poultry council. And they can the dumping of imported frozen chicken into the country. Two ministers, the Minister of Food and Agriculture and the Minister of Trade and Industry, say ultimately an industry like the poultry and collapse. So they should make sure say and to be on bit me ama poultry na page be no. It's a so mutimi. Itiano de can once
Enuachi and a moment and a woman who says some ministers want move to the Abua with regards to issues Amurezi, you know.
You feel him the same week. You knew Mushia a meeting, a discussions be brave. But after that, you know, it has been very difficult to get them. But still, I bought Muprum, said a bear, and Nema. Any president Kokaya or dear show on Sano on my one of the issues appeal a subsidy on the poultry industry. And the Alan Krane can say every country a poultry is successful, no government not subsidize it or feed, otherwise you can never be competitive. Into Okasenia or more working out normal farmer for discussion. And on a year, Bomu Pruma has said, Omu cry now so more franquay. But if you buy a share by Kunadia, you try to be now Munanka, new share, but it has been a bit difficult.
No, but as an association, have you been that firm to push your views and challenges forward? Because it looks like Mokoba, Ko, Na Matiada, Namo members, no brand or Mobre.
There has been series of letters. 10 year no Enra Namia Duna Minister Ewo Kumasi has say he happens to be at one of the big farms in Kumasi Namiwoho. Emma Nukra say Ohu chairman or her dream to support chairman Weda. Enya dia yada. The course you make effort to say it me no because it's an industry is going to affect the economy apart from individual sika ebeshino and unemployment great. We are saying say poultry industry no potential as a woman we can create 1 million jobs, so they should give us the chance. Ya ni omo cancer debris enya dia ya tia dakra.
Ora ponse mbakwa me kire madwin.
Yeah.
Ye importe ebruba Ghana. Ghana had the no so e wa ha no so ye exported the kwa Burkina Faso in Nigeria. I mean, does it really sound right?
That is the mistake
How?
Because ye bro no now it was about 65-70 cities. Acquire the crampona ye manage, but you allow people to come and buy them. Na where they near call importer until you can't want them say and a brofu from the so put to a stop to that. But challenger we in the country we don't even have the data for the poultry industry. We've made attempt you register all farmers by biometric device, and that will inform us about the quantities are here. Into a precious idea we know yanya MYA. So a brogu. Let's say I remember one time Minister Bakuko baby a brogu now was 35,000 bucks. Oh yeah no so a few you were broke but 35,000. Two farmers bet me deal less than a month. Into say who's her name away who bed population 10 years and bear who broke a credit crowd when him say oh a bro with the doors. But industry no consume a lot of maize. I say it me working out. Now it me a produce a bro the industry no surplus no like obi better me at neighboring countries. It's very important I fight to say it me yes idea. It me they will know say oh as my can say no great. because how say will be a bonny reasonable. Now will be a betoko. Edu be kura Burkina for no beto e rom de kogu ho ye de ani asa akoto afri ho de aba ha sei. Idea ha dwen
ready. Europe when I mean my brother mess so ne want to nkomo because some komo bin pese ye besi higher because as we speak some of your members are considering shutting down completely. One more ton kokon no na fe one workers no one ne o mawi na to say
we made the president and the minister aware said they are selling the best prematurely. You can now because obi oha ninkoko enye bia 22 weeks 30 weeks. Akoko no so timinya be 85 weeks no one say wetimiya producer ma okusia. Akoko awanya 30 weeks. Ediani awe did from day one to that time no on take abakokra into otona. That time some more ton go no ba onim say ohun achi odi na wo ton obi tirika just say me 15 cedis the problem is very critical. I know the my
FNC Europe medasi Ura Victor Pon your president Poultry Farmers Association of Ghana na meneno atwetwe enkomo no sanya odi wie no problem no critical Yanko de Bonkata no Naposo Star Assurance, your solid partner. CBG, we stand with you. Vodafone, together we can access bank more than banking. Nafi latex from your partner for life. Okay.
Yo, CJ, Yanko de Bonkata no entwa so ya the publisher, the Ghanaian publisher na making. And no near de chassis. Na the Bonkata your software was share or may yembambon semso on Munyanfo Dominic Nitiwu and Anura. Woko omeyimra shebedwemu kwachiremu fabwa na anu asojafo ya woko bru nipa bi wo monten so ne obi hye gatam ne asi ne so pu video na ayo ade ato hono gatam nipa na dwane a kwahye gatam still soja ni semebo no akwahye gatam wo obo no adan omo so mobile phone na yira eti na wose nipa e wo botam wo nyina bru obia na minister ne say sa asojafo no aboda asa nyambra nsam no adie no wasi asotwe ye ode amabo no yadi motu omunyina ana nipa no onso eda wano Lieutenant Colonel Penia no oda wano wo duty saada no woso ono de yade ne trials yade ne ginas asenia no ne yadi nasem na se bubo no a yade na famra kwan so sa nipa iso wo mu aduasa eno so sofo ne se unse soja fo aso twene sija ye de omo kwashan ga urum ohu ye de omo ko ga urum ye discipline omo 30 days omo kwasha wono mo omo a ye di motu omo no aso twen ye a ye san de ama wono no ebi mo so wo hono mo a ye yi omo a ye transfer omo na ne ba bi omo be ko de minister say ye be transfer omo eti na chese ne wo hono no omanfo a na obisa na sojafo ye woden no minister chese asotwen aba na ne edi ho ye emrahye bedwam Carlos no ne nra CJ mubo mu a na emrahye bedwam panimfo se Ghana fo a modwen se sa abosia no a wode betoka ni jama efiraban futuom aban sika ne yidi aba betokai ama emrahye bedwafo no waso osremu adamu omutwa mra shebedwafo adapa no munyai esa se sika no a yede betoka no wo mo se ye bosia ya banks ahuru bi e wo mayimu na biribia no wo ginamu edi sa sika no mamra shebedwa 28 million no emfiri aban futuom aban budget no sika no nka ho we ye bank bosia and woje ne aban ya de aboa ne se oye garanta ene wo gina mu di amabon na emrahebedwafo mpanimfo se emrahebedwa toso nwotwi na amanfo di watem ede ana mu ye pesaminkum nyom se da bi ade we ehyaase emrahebedwa na toso miensamu abanke so soma na baben se enye nei na ehyaase o wo se ehyaase da wa bra emrahebedwafo hye wasetena se emrahebedwa toso miensa and wo share sa ka abosia hyehye yase 1997 CJ 18 will be ya de foforo no mbedi o matem o se o msere wo muntwa sokora na ya bosia ya o mu betua enya se bia ya de che won eho ensem wo ha kwa me bafo abronye Wokobuno regional MPF Amanyoko no chama yo wo ho the insight mu and medring the one krata say abronye ese wode mampani na ye mampani abedi akire ye mampani adadafo ayemo eni abedi akire wonu ayemo ayese ye be mawo akatua ye nya nhyehyɛ ne mawo akatua na abronye ediko Supreme Court who say na emahye badwani da fe ma poni nipa bi ese wode ko abronye dikan wadi ka
eno na metie no asempa ekusi sen eno ka say ono file ne de no some few minutes after 12 or file we ya wo pie no anu hu say be one something on no
we suli anu we yo no
NDCMPs no so
na wonim abronye enkrata yo de kwa nsem mienu CJ ne edi kan wo se saa mampani yi ne na bedi akirefo nsemi ana wo kai se mre bi atwam na hye badwafo bi ana wo san ye ministers wo mo so gi akatua prenu wo se ni nyina Supreme Court nkirekire mu ami ehu se saa nipa no wo bu mra so ana sa wo mu mra so na afa ye nhwe ba bi a botokora de kora behim eti saa nsem yenu no enne the ubonkrata insight de ho ensem aba yemfa the finder entwa so na the finder nimu no banks no a CJ gugu ye no sa banks no ho nsem collapse banks no wonim si ye de mpanimfo bi agina mra no e wo ho aseni o ye de wokokoto yes Roy Cables MD a woda no no one day mpanimfo se ye discharge no wonko one day ne hu so wonko na emom papa no o ka tons no sere mama no aha eso me open defense eso on fa tons me open defense etunya da ubonkrata ya no so ho nsem e wo define dem mu ebitia ye bi
ehwea
CJ
emrante no aba
o maba wo yes ye nya atwere foforo Ghana. What is our story no
ran de foforo
atwere apotro foforo
ofin
China fo eba ya atwere dada no ana o mu gu nsuo nkonkonko ma wie yes wo kwatiwa area ho a new species bi aba wo se emu aye wo mu assault atwere foforo na sa atwere we de CJ sa unya da ubonkrata the Daily Searchlight na nipa ba ko no atwere na ni ba ko apie no
wo free no ne nam a obepie ma
atiwa
because ye nim portrait ne omo ha
atiwa na omo apie nti se China for no ho de a omo hya ase CJ le fiala
every about right do mame nda wan senior fast da no Star Assurance, your solid partner. CBG, we stand with you. Vodafone, together we can access bank more than banking. Now latex from your partner